Dixie Belle Paint page. To begin this transformation, you need to remove all current hardware and clean your piece well with White Lightning. Make sure to clean the interior of your piece as well. Vacuum out the drawers, remove any shelf liner, and get ready to transform your piece. I use Big Mama's butter in Orange Grove to lubricate the drawer slides. This piece is a vintage piece with wood-on-wood glides. This helps lubricate the drawers so they open and close smoothly. I applied 2 even coats of Midnight Sky using my angle brush. I kept a misting bottle filled with water to minimize brush strokes while applying my paint. Now that the base is being completed, I'm moving on to the drawer fronts. The plan for this wood is to deepen and darken the tone of the wood using No Paint Gel Stain and Espresso. Wearing gloves, I applied 2 even coats of No Paint Gel Stain to the front of the drawers. After the No Paint Gel Stain had dried, I applied clear coat in satin to the front of the drawers to protect the wood. The base of this project was sealed in clear coat in matte. I wanted a matte, flat finish over top of the Midnight Sky. The first coat goes on white and milky, but don't worry, it dries to a beautiful clear finish. I reinstalled my original hardware as well as the keyholes and put the drawers back into the piece. It's a gorgeous combination. The espresso gel stain highlights the wood front as well as the deep base of Midnight Sky. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful and simple transformation. It's a great way to update any piece of furniture. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow on all social media at The Top Drawer RVA.